Did you realize back then that Napa Valley Agricultural Preserve will be such an important part of world's wine heritage?
Yeah, I did. There was a hope more than any certainty, of course. Then I had tasted some wines from the Napa Valley, which demonstrated to me that it had great potential and that it needed protection. I came to the valley in '64 and worked for a small winery where I was number 2 man in a 2-man winery. And so I had the opportunity to learn about winemaking, which I did not have either professional training for or otherwise academic training for. So I had to learn by doing, and I did that. But I had some experience with wine that told me that Napa Valley had great potential and that it could make beautiful wines. I wanted to be part of that. And so when the Ag Preserve came in 1968, I knew then that unless we could preserve agriculture for the future of the valley as the main and single most important industry, that we would never get a chance to show that. We needed time. We needed agriculture to be very important and to be preserved for the future in order to give it time to express the beauty that its potential possessed.